Hello everyone, I am Sania Zain with NPM 240710100008. For my English exam, in this video I want to review a classic movie, To Kill a Mockingbird. I choose this film because before watching it, I had read the novel with the same title written by Harper Lee. So let me tell you why this film is so special. First, introduction. This film is adapted from Harper Lee's novel, directed by Robert Mulligan and released in 1962. It won 3 Oscars, including Best Actress. The story follows Atticus Finch, a lawyer in deep south of Alabama, defending Tom Robinson, a black man accused of raping a white woman. The story is told through the eyes of this doctor, Scott Finch, who along with her brother Jem, witnesses the injustice and racism in their society. 2. Plot analysis. The plot is straightforward yet powerful, focusing on the trial and its impact on the Finch family. The film skillfully blends a coming-of-age story with complex social and legal drama. The pacing is slow at first to build atmosphere and characters, then peaks in the courtroom with highly emotional and iconic scenes. The courtroom scenes really moved me emotionally and left a strong impression, especially because I am a law student, which made me feel close to the story. The Finch family interaction with the presence of a mother also impressed me. Scott and Jem don't call Atticus Finch father, but directly by his name, Atticus, which shows a unique closeness and respect. Third, character development. In my opinion, Atticus Finch is very outstanding. I felt his moral strength and empathy. Scott and Jem are well-developed characters. I could really feel their innocence and confusion facing a prejudiced world. And this is very interesting. Fourth, direction and cinematography. I think Robert Mulligan, as a director, he's directed this film very sensitively and subtly. The cinematography captures the essence of the American South with natural lighting and strong framing. Although the film is black and white, I feel this helps clearly convey the theme of racism and creates a strong contrast between black and white skin tones. I think it's very helpful for person who watching this film. 5. Sound and music. The soundtrack is simple but very effective in my view. The music adds emotional depth without distraction. During the trial scenes, the music perfectly supports the tension and drama. 6. Themes and message. For me, the main themes are racism, justice, and morality. Atticus Finch taught me the importance of integrity and courage in facing injustice. The children's perspective also made me reflect on how innocence can be lost when confronting the complex and prejudiced world. Last is personal opinion. In my opinion, personally, I consider To Kill a Mockingbird is a must-watch classic movie, especially for those interested in social and legal issues. If you haven't watched it yet, I highly recommend reading the novel first. I think reading the book gives a broader and deeper imagination than just watching the film. As a law student, I also noticed that the American legal system portrayed in this film is different from Indonesia's. For example, the film shows a jury trial, which is a key feature of the US justice system, but not used in Indonesia. This difference adds an interesting perspective on how justice is administered in different cultures. To Kill a Mockingbird imparts profound lesson about justice, humanity, and morality. One of its core message is the importance of courage in standing up for truth and justice, even when facing social pressure and personal risk. Through Atticus Finch's character, the film demonstrates that integrity and empathy are fundamental pillars of justice. Moreover, the film encourages us to see the world through the other eyes, as Scott and James gradually come to understand the complexities and injustice in their society. Another deep message is a strong critique of racism and prejudice, which undermine social order and humanity. The film also reminds us that children's innocence and ignorance of harsh realities must be protected, but eventually they must learn to face reality with courage and wisdom. So for me, this film is 9 out of 10. Thank you for watching.